What's up guys, first video on YouTube and it's going to be the ammo box only challenge. This one's quite hard but you know, we'll get it done. Let's go.
I didn't fucking die. Yeah, no. You're a bit of a bot,
No! Shut up! It's not a bot, it's great. Right, we got this.
Louis' millions of viewers, Bates is a bot.
Bates it.
Yeah, my god, Louis.
Bro, I said I was landing here, bro. I got an ammo box, come on.
Louis?
AR sniper, that's not bad, that's not bad.
Louis. Wait, so is harpoon
Oh,
heavy ammo?
let's go.
We're counting harpoon as heavy ammo.
No, a harpoon is not heavy ammo, you dumb.
What do you mean am I dumb?
You can take a harpoon. There's a pistol if you want it. Why? I said I was landing here.
I've got just heavy ammo. Oh.
I literally marked this house.
We have to count harpoon as some sort of ammo.
Harpoon ammo.
Yeah, but okay, let's just no harpoons. But
I got AR sniper, so I backed heavy sniper.
Yeah, that's sick. No, Louis, I've only got a sniper.
No, you
I only
don't lie.
Yes, I did. I promise.
Did you actually? Say mums.
Mums.
Alright, fine, you have it.
I need it.
Right, fine, if there's another one, I'm having it.
Okay.
I got people minis if you want them.
Wait, does anybody have a shotgun? Like...
My aim is so bad!
Are you joking? I've got purple tag.
I'm just gonna check out. I can't, my aim is so bad at the moment.
Why didn't somebody get a shot? What did you actually get? No, you're not cheating, shut up. What did you actually get? Shut
Mums.
up! Shut up! What did you get?
Mums, Ollie. Oh.
You only got heavy.
Oh.
You only got heavy. No! I've only got heavy as well.
It's a challenge, please. But I've got an AR and
Bates doesn't have
sniper.
only a sniper. I swear I heard him say something else as well. He had like SM. Yeah, he got sniper and medium.
That's what I got as well.
Okay, the heavy sniper's mine. You guys both got ARs. I'll have nothing else. Yeah. No. The challenge.
Bits. Don't matter.
You guys are gonna have to carry me. You literally just said you got AR and sniper. Make your mind up.
Oh yeah, I can take that. Get a scar. No! Give me a Bates. I swear to God. Bates,
Wait,
I
Bates
swear
only got AR.
Don't, please. Don't, please, Bates. Come on, man. Give me the AR back.
Minigun that. Oh, no, none of us got minigun.
Give me the AR back, Bates. Yeah, the purple one I got out of that chest. Give it. Give it. No! Oh, thank you. Good. Let's hope you're on people.
Yeah.
Are they bots?
How did I miss that? No scoping him. There's one more. I knocked two over here.
One HP.
I'm about to kill him.
I swear down, like, bots have better aim than me with an AR.
Who's welcome to his stream, obviously. Thousands of people on his stream.
At least I'm doing it, Toby.
What do you mean? I'm not streaming. I don't like. Well, I mean, I will eventually. Actually, no. I mean, obviously, if you become a big YouTuber, I'll start streaming probably.
Give you clout.
Not streaming. No, because like you know how like Simon Mini Minter did. JJ
No.
became a big YouTuber, and he just sucked his dick.
Can you stop saying that? It makes you uncomfortable. Shut up! Honestly, stop, man. You can take
I
half
think-
guns. I got 2 of
No,
them.
you can't. No, you can't.
You
No, you
what?
can't. What ammo does harpoon guns use?
AR.
None, exactly. So you're not allowed to harpoon, are you?
It looks like AR ammo. Just chill.
It looks more like heavy ammo, if anything.
No, are you done? I'm just waiting for me to get like a gold org. Stop. I could make it like a really memey like account, if you know what I mean. Like laser beams almost.
Yeah.
Talk about random shit.
Nah, laser beam's my idol though. Not gonna lie. he makes money for memeing. That's my.
I know.
That's a dream job.
Like what?
No, because if it's an inside joke, they wouldn't understand it, would they?
Dirty ducks.
If I was a big YouTuber, I'd just get loads of big YouTubers to shout out a tiny YouTuber, and then just so that you could beat Jake Paul's 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months thing.
Laser? Question mark. He's got oh wait, he's got grappler. And I missed
Ooh.
every single shot. You love to see it.
I mean, whoever kills him gets the thing.
Back to Sky
these
Scar
guys
if you get
don't-
it.
No, remember Bates the backseat. Bates backseat whatever gun it was, no matter how much better it was.
Not sure about that.
Yeah, no, he did, didn't you?
We have to
Bates?
get close because they got snipers and we don't. Or Toby
It's
does, so.
laser beam.
Yeah, boy, let's scoot. Good shot. Let's go. Oh, hit that, and we got him. Oh,
Just
flank.
let them revive. They'll be low.
No.
Knocked another.
35 and 1. I'm literally got the worst aim.
Yeah,
in
no,
the
I
game.
knocked 2 of them. There's one alive.
I'm getting beamed. Where's
What do
he
you
going?
say? Sniped him out the air, obviously.
28 white. Killed him.
Oh my god, I thought I just sniped him out the air, but as you killed him out the air, like as I sniped.
Nice. That's AR. Back
Can
in
I
Sky
have,
Scar
can I
then.
have the
Back to Sky
grappler? Can I have the
Scar
grappler then?
then. Yeah, you can have it because. Where's Sky Scar? Where's Sky Scar? Where's Sky Scar? Where's Sky
I think
Scar?
he's the guy that launch padded had
Alright,
it.
can I have it, Bates, or no? Yeah. Go on then.
Where's
I'll
the
have one.
grappler?
Grappler's over here on me. I'll pick it up for you.
Cheers. Can you bring it back, Smith?
Yeah, I got you.
Some guns better.
2 slurps. Let's go.
I'm doing so good for only having a sniper.
Yeah, it was good shots. Good shots.
How did they get the revive though? I swear we didn't give them 10 seconds.
Yeah, anything special.
Yep. There's a suppressed.
No, I've got a shot. I've got a what's it called? Sniper. RPG. Wait, did anyone have RPG ammo?
No. You two had AR and sniper. I had only sniper.
Can I have one? Cheers.
You got to. You can only do 4. Like that's why you need.
You
to
can add the clips. You can add the clips. Yeah, I got 2 medkits. You can add the clips
Louis.
together. I saw it earlier. No way. We
This
can
will
keep
be
this.
our
first
first
try.
try. Game. Says you
Yeah,
there.
I lagged out
You
the
lagged
first
out.
one.
And we came like 5th in that one.
Oh! Oh, but how close was that? I'm camouflaged with the bushes, you already know. Right, I just need to then peek. Are these the last kids? You wanna launch one of them?
I just made him take 25. That's me.
Wait, you wanna
I made him
launch
take
one on them?
25
These are the last
no,
kids.
Louis, I made him take 25 full damage. No, because I need to stay long range, Louis. I've only got sniper. We can't go close. The only reason we won the last fight is because we were far. Yeah, Bates has got the drum gun.
No, I got a drum gun.
Like,
Yeah.
if it's a good video.
I'm pushing up, boys. Just on the hill. Just so I can snipe. Because I can't. I've got a flipping drum gun. What am I going to do with it? Just shoot from there.
To be fair,
Stay
me and Louis
still.
play.
Hit 126.
Get one as well.
No, I saw that, Toby. One HP at the bottom. Guy at the bottom, 1 HP. Guy at the bottom, 1 HP. Nice. These guys are bots. Cracked. Knocked. Oh my god, he lasered me. Cracked again. Oh my god, 14 HP. Down the mountain, he's 1 HP, he's literally 1 HP. I'll get him, I'll get him. 1 HP! So low.
Spray him with your drum gun, whoever's got the drum gun.
He's literally so low. He's actually mad. He's over there, he's in the air, he's in the air. Oh, I can't see him. I'm medding.
How much heavy ammo do you have? Yeah, I need
Yeah,
it.
can I have some as well. And then we've got shield. What are you building, Ollie? Oh my god, what?
Good way to take some
XP
damage.
grind, you already know.
Can I have some heavy ammo, please?
I just want shield. I'm getting shot?
Yeah, bitch. Bitch, heavy.
Yeah, I
I
do.
do. Heavy ammo, bitch. Bitch, heavy ammo. Where?
I'm getting supply drops.
There you go, I've got enough now. XP grind.
I need some heavy ammo if that's alright. No, just let Toby. I've got 10. Oh, there's a kid here. There's a kid here. I can't build. What the heck? Wait. He's on me.
Where do you?
Punch me. Oh, Toby, you just no-scoped him.
Got down?
Bruh, I just lasered this kid. I had no
Hey,
shield
no,
though.
no.
Yeah, I got bounces as well. Don't kill the Arca.
I can hit some mad trick shots. Wait, how do I not take full damage here?
There's a kid. He's on me.
Come on.
Oh, no escape him.
Use the
Who
launch
knows?
to get there.
Oh! Let's go.
Louis, you didn't even no scope him, you bot.
I did no scope him.
So it said sniped.
Oh, I no scoped him. You can see on the clip.
Okay.